Welcome back to Apex Motive Cars, where luxury meets performance. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Cadillac Escalade, a name that continues to define full-size luxury SUVs with bold styling and unmatched presence. The new Escalade arrives with a refined exterior, featuring Cadillac's signature vertical LED lighting, a sleeker grille, and aerodynamic lines that enhance both form and function. Offered in multiple trims including luxury, sport, and platinum, the 2026 model blends power, sophistication, and advanced tech in a way that few competitors can. It's not just an update, it's a statement. Step inside the 2026 Escalade, and you're greeted by an interior that rivals high-end lounges. Dominating the dashboard is a stunning 55-inch curved OLED display that stretches from pillar to pillar, now offering even sharper graphics and better touch response. The materials are top-tier, with handcrafted leather, open-pore wood accents, and aluminum details surrounding the cabin. Comfort reaches new levels with massaging front seats, a panoramic stargazer roof, and ventilated seats even for second-row passengers. An immersive AKG 40-speaker premium sound system transforms the cabin into a concert hall, while customizable ambient lighting and expanded rear legroom ensure every passenger feels like a VIP. Under the hood, the 2026 Escalade offers serious muscle. You can choose between the tried-and-true 6.2-liter V8 with dynamic fuel management or the efficient and torque-rich 3.0-liter Duramax turbo diesel. New for this year is a rumored plug-in hybrid variant, giving buyers a more eco-friendly yet powerful option. The V8 delivers over 420 horsepower, paired with a smooth-shifting 10-speed automatic transmission. Cadillac's magnetic ride control ensures that every drive feels stable and composed, regardless of road conditions. Plus, the enhanced Super Cruise system allows for hands-free driving on over 700,000 miles of compatible roads, turning long highway trips into a relaxed, confident journey. On the road, the Escalade performs like a dream. Thanks to adaptive air suspension and rear-wheel steering, this massive SUV feels surprisingly agile in tight spaces and city traffic. The new platform offers better weight distribution, resulting in a more balanced and confident driving experience. Advanced noise-canceling technology keeps the cabin incredibly quiet, even at highway speeds. Cadillac has also packed the 2026 model with safety features like blind zone steering assist, lane change alert, adaptive cruise control, and enhanced night vision. Whether you're navigating city streets, open highways, or rugged backroads, the Escalade remains composed, confident, and unmistakably premium. To wrap it up, the 2026 Cadillac Escalade continues to raise the bar for what a luxury SUV should be. It's powerful, elegant, and brimming with technology that enhances every aspect of the driving experience. Cadillac has refined every inch of this vehicle to deliver more comfort, better performance, and smarter features than ever before. Whether you're behind the wheel or relaxing in the back seat, the Escalade makes every journey feel first class. If you're looking for the ultimate combination of luxury, size, and presence on the road, this is the SUV to beat. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Apex Motive Cars for more premium car reviews and walkarounds. Until next time, drive smart, drive bold.